Yeah, I can hear that beeping, chirping sound. That is the timing of replace battery of smoke detector. You need this kind of battery, 9 volts, the big size of battery to replace smoke detector. So you can order from Amazon or somewhere retail store. As you see, this is a button for test button to whether that is a function or not. Okay, and then if you just want to engage, disengage, you see this sign of installed on. So this is way of you can dismount. Okay, as you see here, there's a battery here. So this is something you have to replace. Okay, so think take carefully. Took out that battery here. See, you can hear the beep chirping sound again. So this is way, right? Okay, so left and right. Don't worry, but it's polarity. If you swap like this, then does not installed. So, but if you remember the polarity plus to the right, okay, then you can do it that way. Okay, now I have a new battery. I'm trying to install, okay? So what I'm trying to do here, snap on, right? You can hear the feeling like snapping perfectly. If not work, let me see. Oh yeah, upside, yeah, left and right. Yeah, this is a one way, properly inserted, uh, engaged. Okay, so if I snap on, you can hear the click sound, right? So that's the way of you can do it. Okay, now sometimes the alarm sound goes away, but sometimes you have to wait like I don't know, 5-10 minutes. You will see no sound. So that's a way of evidence that you properly mounted, correctly replaced successfully. Okay.